Now, the video is all about how to use smart lists and filters to organize your contacts in Zapify.io. So inside the contact section, click Smart List on the top tab. So here the top tab, we will see the Smart List, both actions, tasks, and companies. So now just click the Smart List. In Smart List, click the Add Smart List, which is here. Then after that, apply filters such as tags, date, added, pipeline stage, or custom fields. So here you can just, if you want the fields table, you just click, for example, contact name or phone or email. You can just click it here, or check the date of birth. Um, what's more, their followers, first name, their last name, and that's also so on. So save the list so it automatically updates whenever a contact matches your criteria. So apply all of the changes here. Now we will see the our okay. Now we will add this smart list. We will name it as check. Then create. Here now we have a smart list the for our, what we call that, for our filters we filtered. So you can use the smart list so to quickly segment leads, active clients, or cold contacts. And that's all. Thank you.